Composure. 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 Like, the song is only... You only... I'm speaking gibberish. What's up, gorgeous souls? No, nah, family. How y'all doing? Ready to know this. How y'all doing? How y'all been? I missed y'all dearly. Like, where y'all? What's up? How y'all? Where y'all been? Y'all good? Y'all good? I'm good. I'm good. I'm back. I didn't forget about y'all. You know, whenever they
drop, I'm on their heels. Whenever Nona drop, I'm on their heels.
Simple as that. All right. Happy to be back. Cannot wait to see this new Nona video. Are you ready? I'm ready. We both ready. But before we start, if you have not subscribed to my channel and if you like Nona, this is the place to be. Come over here. Come binge watch my playlist of Nona, and I promise you, I will not disappoint. Ha! Oh, also, hit the like, hit the hype button, put me out in the algorithm of YouTube's, and also comment down below. Let's comment down below and let's converse in the comments, me and you. If you don't know me, if you're new here, first time seeing me, hi, how you doing? I'm Keto, by the way. My name is Keto. Pleasure to meet you. This is the Rated Drastic channel. This is my channel also. How you been? You good? Good. Welcome to the channel. Also, let's get to know each other in the comments below, okay? You ready? I'm ready. Nona, Honk. I can't fucking wait. Let's go. Esther, I'ma bark as loud as possible. Okay. First off, we gotta analyze. You hear them barks? You hear them barks. The barks is not there for no reason. The barks is not there for no reason. Barks means good.
Look at me, look at her. Pics in the rearview mirror.
Okay.
Put 'em up, posted, buckle up out of here. Yeah, we in the backseat, hit the gas, we turn it up. Yeah, get in the taxi, never pass me, ready, set, go.
Composure. Like, the song is only... You only... I'm speaking gibberish.
Ever had a dreams that you once.
First off, Bella, how you doing, baby? You good, Bella? You good? Good. I like how you just jumped on a beat and then.
That you had.
Look at me, look at her.
Okay.
Pics in the rearview mirror.
Yup.
Put 'em up, posted.
Okay.
Buckle up out of here.
All right.
Yeah, we in the backseat, hit the gas, we turn it up. Yeah, get in the taxi, never pass me, ready, set, go.
You know when you driving, right? You know you driving, and something just falls on your window sill, and you trying to like turn on the wipers, right? I wouldn't turn on my wipers if Esther's on my window sill. I don't need to see the road. I can be going 75 miles per hour in a 22. I'm not window wiping nothing. I'm not window wiping nothing. She's gonna stay there, and whatever's in front of me, too bad.
Turn it up, yeah. Get in the taxi, never pass me, ready, set, go.
Okay. Okay.
Get on the Honk.
Hey. Okay.
Get on the Honk.
Get on the what? The uncut? What's that? Get on the what?
Get on the Honk.
Okay, whatever. I don't know what that means. I guess it means bus. Okay. Hey. I love how this video looked. The way the video looked, the visuals is 10 out of 10. And first off, Esther, I love you even more with the cowboy boots. Look at the cowboy boots. Look at the cowboy boots. I love it. Wait, tell me, how the fuck you do that? How'd she do that? Look how she just rolled on the cement, bare knees. Bro, that was amazing. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Ain't no way y'all just walking around looking like this.
Got the junk in the trunk and we make it bounce. Drop it.
You ain't but I started to sweat out of gosh. I started to sweat instantly. Gosh damn. Hold on.
Got the junk in the trunk and we make it bounce. Tropical taste with my itty bitty waist, but my heart in your face and I always got my way. Bump it up.
Wait, what?
Tropical taste with my itty bitty waist, but my heart in your face and I always got my way. Bumping that bass and I make a speaker break. Gotta take it to your place, but I won't drive straight. Nona on your license plate.
Ah! Y'all gotta stop. Stop it now. Stop it right now. No. Y'all need to fucking relax, guys. God, but what? Y'all just throwing ass? Y'all just said, fuck it, we just gonna be throwing ass. We just throwing ass.
Then I make a speaker break, gotta take it to your place, but I won't drive straight. Nona on your license plate. Jump to like me.
Okay.
If you're wondering, baby, how I got it on my own.
Yeah.
I've been working all day, all night, all day, all night, all day long.
Ooh, did you hear how she came on a beat? Y'all can't. Hold on. Esther.
If you're wondering, baby, how I got it on my own.
Okay.
I've been working all day, all night, all day, all night, all day long. All night, all day long.
Roof.
Get on the uncut.
Damn. Bro, look at the core graphics, bro. Look at the core graphics. Okay.
Get on the uncut.
Hey. Damn, look at the footwork.
Get on the uncut.
That was fucking sexy. That was fucking sexy.
Get on the uncut.
A Nona video is not a Nona video if it's not a little bit of ass shaking. Alright? A Nona video is not a Nona video without a little bit of ass shaking. If it's not no little bit of ass shaking, it's not a Nona video. Simple as that.
Get on the uncut.
Hey. Ooh. Look, do you hear the vocals in the background? The harmonizings?
Get on the uncut.
Okay. 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 Hey. Hey. Bro, I ain't gonna lie. They sturdy as fuck. It's like, if y'all don't know what sturdy is, do your research. Look at the sturdiness of the foots. Watch the sturdy. Damn. Jesus Christ. No, baby. Y'all need to make a song that's 4 hours long. That's just non-stop, 4 hours long. A lot of footwork and ass shaking. I'm telling you, platinum, triple. Gorgeous fucking souls, rated Nonas. Listen, I love y'all dearly. I missed y'all dearly. This energy is a fucking amazing. I missed it so much. I forgot how good. I forgot how good this energy is from y'all, man. Like, it's insane how Nona can just get on your screen and just change the alternates of the coordinates of your day. Just the energy of your day is completely changed. It's crazy. And again, a Nona video is not a Nona video without a little bit of ass shaking, and we love it. It's sexy, right? It's powerful. We see how y'all moving in the motherfucking hills. You get me? And if you got a guy from all the way from New Jersey barking at your screen and you way in Indonesia, you're doing something right. Do you agree? But gorgeous souls, rated Nonas, please do me a favor. Hit the subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Also, do me a new favor. Share this video to anybody else that's also in love with Nona like you. Hit the like, hit the hype me up, put me out in the algorithm of all of YouTube spaces. And comment down below if you want more Nona. Give me some of your suggestions. I love y'all dearly. Rated Nonas. Drastic souls, gorgeous souls. Until next time, man. Esther, listen, baby. Like, if you single, like, what up? Like, listen, I'm tired of this. I'm trying to have triplets.